Hey everyone, my name is Unzala Kamar, and today I am going to teach you about problem solving. I am a software engineer passionate about coding, problem solving, and all tech things. So, whether you're getting started in programming or looking to improve your skills, you have come to the right place. So, what exactly is problem solving? Problem solving is a process of finding solution to challenges that come up in our daily life. It's about taking a problem, understanding it, and then coming up with a solution. Or in a more sensible way, it's about taking a problem, dividing it into sub-problems, and solving it, right?
Huh?
Here you can see I have a big problem. What I do, I'm a smart person. Let's say I'm Sam, and Sam is a smart person.
Yeah, boy.
Sam takes the big problem. Sam divides that problem into smaller problems, solve them one by one, and then solve the whole big problem. So that's in a nutshell problem solving. You can suffer problems in your daily life. You can have problems in your work life or your personal life. You can solve those problems effectively if you know problem solving, if you have problem solving skills, right? You want to build a mobile app, you want to build a web app, you can you can create any of those things, but you have to deal with problem solving. There's a real life example. Let me show you. For example, you want to do a round trip for vacations from Lahore to Islamabad. By the way, those are beautiful cities of Lahore, of Pakistan. My bad. So this is a whole trip, right? This is a big circle, and this circle is your trip. So what do? You w- convert your whole trip into some manageable small things. Like you pack your bags, you refill your car, you check your engine, you take snacks, you check a route using the GPS, and etc. etc. And that's how you plan a very successful trip and you had fun with your friends on your trip or alone. How do you prefer? So that is, in a nutshell, is problem solving. So in our next video, we will understand how do you understand a problem before solving it, because understanding the question is solving 50% of the question, right? So if you understand a question, let's say you want to build a mobile app and you have to understand that what problem do you have and how you're going to solve it. Those are the two big questions that you have to uh, create solutions for. And that's how you solve a big problem, by dividing it into smaller chunks and conquering it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and don't miss out the upcoming videos. See you again next time.
Like, subscribe, and share.